The complete scheduling cycle in K-Mine is supported by only 3 software modules working in the same environment, in the same open file, and in close coordination with each other. Let's go over the entire cycle of creating a long-term schedule, and start, of course, with deposit optimization. After you have successfully selected the optimization project settings, our plugin provides you with a choice of block sets that correspond to the cost factors for the final product. Use the integral schedule analysis and evaluation elements, your own experience, and our tips to make the best decision for each specific situation. Select the optimal final boundary and continue with the scheduling process. Now, we can also identify the most important parameter that has the greatest impact on the economic component of the optimization project. This is where the sensitivity analysis comes in. Easy-to-view graphs will be built for all final products, with one graph for the common data. After selecting the final boundary and creating a wireframe based on it, we can start designing the mined-out pit. We suggest using the dynamic design command for this and similar tasks, such as building large pit components. We can quickly create a pit from a set of isolines and add roads where necessary. The pit is reconfigured immediately. We can add turns, berms, horizontal inserts, roads, and so on. After that, we create a wireframe and use it as a block model limit for the next scheduling stage. By the way, we can also create dumps in this plugin. After creating the necessary projects, we can proceed to scheduling. Our software offers 2 options for the scheduling process, which you can use one by one or in combination. The first option is the automatic search for the sequence of mined rock extraction. The second option is the manual selection of extraction parameters. With each of the options, you can download the resulting polygons and polylines as of the end of a scheduling period. Create graphs and, if necessary, adjust the parameters and recalculate. With the manual method, you can see the face positions and the scheduling results for each scheduled date. You can also add the transport network to obtain the details for each scheduled block. You can group and filter the table data and add summaries and other calculation parameters.